Hi, Matthieu from Syme here. If you're a Lightroom user, maybe you are one of these users that has many Lightroom catalogs and sometimes regrets that he cannot see all his content together in one app. Or maybe you are the second kind of users that have a big, huge catalog and wish sometimes that they could use and work with smaller ones, but you don't do it because you want to have all your content in one place. The good news is that with Peakto, we can solve both problems, and Peakto lets you integrate several Lightroom catalogs at once and be the tool that lets you search, annotate, organize, create albums, smart albums across all your content, even if this content is split in multiple catalogs that might live on multiple drives, for example. So if you're ready to discover a world where you have the freedom of organizing your Lightroom content in several catalogs without losing track of your content globally, without losing the ability to search or organize all your content, then let's discover the world of Peakto. Let's just take a step back for a minute. If you're in Lightroom, you can only see one catalog at a time. Of course, inside this catalog, you can use all the great features of Lightroom to perform searches, do filtering, etc. But this happens only inside one catalog. And if you want to see pictures that are elsewhere, you have to close it and open another one. So here we are looking at a catalog called Master Catalog Travel. And if I go to Peakto, I've imported this catalog, and sure enough, I can see the images with all the metadata coming from Lightroom. I can perform exactly the same searches, like filtering on colors, filtering on dates, etc. Now, I happen to have multiple catalogs in Lightroom, and I'm going to look at this other one called Family. Launch it in Lightroom. These are different pictures, and again, I can do the same type of filtering here, restricted to this specific catalog here. Now, in Peakto, I can merge those two catalogs together. So let's just ingest that catalog. If I open the sidebar, I'm going to see my Lightroom Classic catalog node has now two entries, one which was the travel, which I started to show you in the beginning, and the new one that is being ingested here. The AI is running on it, and now it's ready. And sure enough, I can see the same images here. I can do the same type of filtering. It's going to show me exactly the same images as this one. So everything is working fine. But what I can do in Peakto, and I can't do it in Lightroom, is I can combine them. So here I'm looking at the images that are tagged with a green color in both catalogs at the same time. Let's remove the filter. Now I can see 156 version, which is the combination of the 93 versions from catalog A and 63 versions from catalog B. So this is all great. I can run searches, for example, looking for all the images taken with this particular lens. And I can see those 47 in this catalog, 61 in this one, and the combination in the two of them. And this works great for smart albums too, because I can create, for example, a smart album that combines my best images in Lightroom. Suppose this is what it's saying here, a rating of 5, and a catalog type is Lightroom, and it's going to combine images from all those catalogs. Let's just edit this one, make it a 5-star, edit this one, make it a 5-star. Now if I go back to my catalog, I should have 9. Those two images have been have been added here. So everything is working as expected. I can combine views from all these catalogs. Let's add 2 more to add more images. So I'm adding these 2 catalogs, California and Reunion. They are being ingested right now. As you can see, the thumbnails are being created. Same for this one. Let's remove that filter. So I have a little bit more images here to play with, about 772 images. And again, my 5-star have been updated with the views from those new catalogs coming in. This is from California, and this is from Reunion, clearly. And what is great now is that I can actually forget where, let's select all sources, and close it. And here I'm really looking at, let's close this too. I'm really browsing through all my images, and I don't really need to know where they are. If I need to edit one of them, let's take this one for example. If I do edit in Lightroom, these images is coming up. If I want to edit another one, it happens to be in the same catalog, so it's coming up too. But now if I want to edit this image, I don't really know where it is. Well, Lightroom tells me that it's a different catalog. It's going to switch. Suppose I want to edit this image. Lightroom is going to launch the appropriate catalog for me. So Peakto with Lightroom works really well with and works as a launcher. It lets you access your images. First of all, it lets you view them all in one place, and you can perform all sorts of things in Peakto, like annotating, like adding to albums, exporting, etc., without really having to know where those images live. And if you need to edit one of them, Peakto is going to make it really easy to launch the appropriate catalog. And of course, Peakto stays in sync with your edits. So if you edit this image in Lightroom, turn it to black and white, I don't have to go to the sidebar and click for the synchronization. I can just sync directly from the image because I know I've just edited it. It's much faster. So Peakto is in sync with my changes. In this video, we covered the ability of Peakto to manage multiple catalogs at the same time. It's very easy to take an image and launch its host catalog very easily. We've seen how you can run searches across all your Lightroom content, how you can create collections, smart albums that span all that content. So there is no more limitation for you to organize your content in multiple catalogs. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to get notified when we publish new content. That's all for now. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Bye-bye.